Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing well. From my side, I'm doing better, I can't complain. And if you're new here, my name is Elena Medikira and you're much welcomed. So on today's video, I'll just be doing the weekly cleaning that I do, but not like all the week I do this. I do it like every other week, yeah, because we are staying 3 in this apartment and everyone has their shift of cleaning the place. So for me, this was on my day and I was cleaning because we usually have like routine checkups for the property, the entire property. So the owner of the property usually comes and checks the apartments to see if the apartment is well kept, and yeah, so lazima tukue wasafi. So that's what I'll be doing basically in this video, and maybe making some dinner. And yeah, I hope you watch to the end and you enjoy. If you like this content, please don't forget to like it, subscribe and comment if you can. See you at the end. So this is my tripod. Today I will just order a tripod ya ukweli, si ya uongo. Now I'll just put this down around here because I want to clean inside here. So I'm done. I just went in with clear water without any soap, because sometimes I use soap and then when it's dry and you walk past it, it leaves some footprints. So like this, it's better because it will take a while before it gets dirty, and we don't have the time to clean every day. I did not clean that mirror, and I am not cleaning it. So I'll just turn on the AC so it will dry this room fast. Up, down, here. So take a 19, clean this room very fast. But that's how the room looks like. It's clean. I have not pushed a lot of things. That's how it looks from there. Hapa bado it's a bit more kachara. My laundry I need to wash, and then you replace your carpet up so I can clean down, and those rugs. I am cleaning, doing some laundry. As you can see from here, there's some dirt inside there. I did not pull this thing out. Maybe I'll do that on my next off. And you see we have a lot of hair. It's all over the house because water of Dubai, it's finishing people's hair. So that's it. That's how the kitchen looks. It's clean. It was not dirty, this one. My roommates cleaned before they moved, so before they went to work. So niko tu na hizi dishes, and then I have this fish. This is what I'll be making for today. I hope I do, because this day my laziness, why? I'm just defrosting it. That's what I'll be making. And yeah, that's everything. Washroom area, that's how it looks. The way this WC was dirty, too. See, I've tried to clean it. I did not show you even before. This mirror, I will just wipe it. We'll wipe that one, and the sink also. For this washroom, I did not wash. And then this other side, I'll just finish cleaning there as I take a shower. WC for this area, this is how it looks like. Clean. And the sink, the mirror not very clean, but we move regardless. The bedroom side, that's my bed. The other one with clothes on top is not mine, it's for my roommate, but I cannot make the bed for her. She will come and start saying, why did you make the bed? So yeah, this is how it looks. That's that. For the living area, this is how it looks. You see the way it's drying. And then I'll just finish it here. I'll put back the carpet, but I'll wait for it to dry. So for the next thing, just to make my hair, I'll just try to wash the hair, because it's been 2 weeks on this bun. I'm not planning to remove this hair today. I will remove it next week when I'm off, because hey, the day is already gone. Right now it's late, I cannot start. Let me see. It's 12:50. Half day already gone. So I'll just wash it. I will not remove this week. I will remove next week, because there's something I'm doing right now. But it has pushed me, yo. Today I'll just wash nifunge hivi this week, and then next week I'll try to do something. See you on the other side. For my dinner today, I am making this fish with some ugali. Na kumake fish from scratch si mchezo. Sasa hii nyumba inanuka tu fish. I cannot wait to eat you. My food is ready. But then inside this fish I put some mala. Some milk mala. As here we call it laban. Here, this one. Ni kama tu our milk mala. But it's not that thick. So I put inside. And there is my ugali. And then this one I'll leave for tomorrow. Or day after tomorrow. And ugali pia. But I have some ugali there inside. But today I was feeling like eating hot, fresh. So let me enjoy this food in peace.